Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in front of me I have a beautiful Seiko 5 Field Watch SRPJ89K1. And I'm gonna unbox the watch and let you see what's happening. Now if I take you around the box over here, the packaging over here, the box is made in China. You see what I'm talking about? So this is only made in China. Now let's open the box. Oh, by the way, this manual that's over here comes in the box as well, right here. So this is how it looks. Let's take you quickly through this and put it back. Now let's take the watch out and see what we get. By the way, there's nothing there. And this is another box within that box, okay? Nothing too crazy. However, this is 400 Canadian, $3.99 on Amazon, and I was anticipating a little bit better box. However, what I will do for you guys, I'm gonna link my affiliate link where you can purchase this watch, and I get a tiny bit of commission to support my channel. So I would really appreciate that. Okay, now let's open up this and show you what I'm talking about. Now the first thing, we have this covering here which is protecting the watch. Okay, put this aside, and this is the beautiful watch. Look at this emerald green that really pops. This is just unbelievable. Now if I quickly take this, there's nothing inside except this tiny pouch over here. Squishy. I'm gonna leave this aside. And over here we have a beautiful emerald green. Oh wow, this is just unbelievable. Now quickly to go at the back here, this is a 4R 36 movements, so keep that in mind. Okay, so this is a hackable. This is you see, this is automatic movement as well. I'm gonna let you see what I'm talking about. Quite nice if you ask me. Okay, beautiful watch. Let's just put some flash on here and show you. Like I said, 4R 34 movement. Let you see what I'm talking about. This is just beautiful. Emerald green really pops, I do have to admit. Let you hear. So this is hackable and all that. It will hold the reserve for 40 hours from what I believe. Okay, now let's see the casing. Let's see how big is the case. Okay, let's go like this with my plastic. Yeah. Okay, and if you look over there, we have a 36 millimeter casing, as you can see. Okay, now the band. Okay, while I'm at it, this leather band is at the 16 millimeters. See what I'm talking about? Which is quite nice. And same thing with the one at the bottom. Let's look over here. Yeah, 16 millimeters as well. Okay, that's quite nice. Now with the crown, let's do the measurements of the case with the crown. Just for you guys that want to know. And we have 39. You see, with the crown. Okay, let's do this carefully. Yep, 39 with the crown. Let you see what I'm talking about. So quite nice. I'll let you see how it fits on the wrist. Beautiful. And this buckle thing, while we are at it, let's look at the width as well. Okay, that's the width. Right on. 20 millimeters is the buckle, as you can see. Okay, beautiful. And you have a Seiko over there, which is quite nice. Now speaking about the glass, it's got the Hardlex crystal keep that in mind. I'll let you see how it's kind of pretty flat, but this is pretty much that. Now the case is stainless steel, which they have done amazing job on it. And as I said, 4R36 is hackable movement. Okay. Now I'm gonna also go over and show you the band at the back. So you have a Seiko. There you go. Beautiful band. Now, going further, what I'm curious to know on this watch particularly is the lume. Okay, so let's shut the light off and see the lume. Okay, and here you go. This is the lume on this watch. I am pretty impressed. Love it. Yeah. Beautiful lume in this price range. Like Seiko's got the perfect lume on all their watches. And I'm pretty impressed. So this is pretty much that. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. And I'm going to link down in the description affiliate links where you can get one of these watches. Take care.